सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नमस्कार
नमस्कार सर।
स्वागतम। एक डिसेंबर मासे अयं प्रथमः वर्गः। This is the first class in December. Well, friends, we are doing Kakolukiyam and end almost we are going to the end of this. Asya tantrasya antam gachamah. Ante vartamahe vayam idanim meghavarnaha मंत्री मेघवर्णः क्षम्यतां स्थिरजीवी मंत्री मेघवर्णं राजानमुद्दिश्य तत्र कथयति स्वानुभवं कथयन् अस्ति तत्र वयं वर्तामहे वी आर देयर वेयर मेघवर्ण इज नरेटिंग हिज एक्सपीरियंस एंड etc the strategy to the Sthirajivi is experiencing his strategy to Meghavarna and Sthirajivi is speaking here to Meghavarna and we are on page 513 Srinivas. Yadva Tadva. Can you go over to page number 5?
Yeah.
And also class number. Text is not shown.
No, I am sharing it. Yeah. So,
Yadva Tadva. Down.
Yeah.
2, 2, 3.
एकोन चतुर्विंशत्युत्तर शततमः वर्गः.
Yes. एकोन चतुर्विंशत्युत्तर क्षम्यताम् एकोन चतुर्विंशत्युत्तर शततमः वर्गः 139th class we are in. Yes. Yadva Tadva.
Yeah. यद्वा तद्वा विषमपि ततः साधु वा गर्हितं वा कालापेक्षी पिहितनयनो बुद्धिमान् कर्म कुर्यात् किं काण्डीव स्फुरदुर्गुणास्पालना क्रूरपाणिः नासील्लीला नटन विलसन् मेखली सव्यसाची.
Now in this poem the Sthirajivi, the mantri, is giving the example of Savyasachi. Look at the last word, Savyasachi. That is a title we know to Arjuna. Savyasachi is Arjuna. And what did Arjuna do in order to survive in the incognito, the invincible Arjuna do in distressing time, in trying times, he did perform a task like eunuch. That is what here described in this poem. Yadva tadva vishama patitaha. Whatever may be, yadva tadva. Yadva tadva means whatever may be the situation like. Vishama patitaha, vishame patitaha, vipattau patitaha. Man, whatever may be the circumstance, when man fallen in vishama patitaha, vishame patitaha, vipattau patitaha, when fallen in difficult times, and sadhuva garhitam va, and whether a man, sadhuva, a good thing, or asadhuva, I mean a very praiseworthy thing, sadhu, or a asadhu, a unpraiseworthy thing, asadhuva, whatever may be the work. Kala pekshi looking for his own time. Or like we generally say in India, everybody, a dog also has its own day. Everyone has his own day. So kala pekshi. Pihita nayana. So pihita nayana buddhiman karma kuryat. This is the main sentence here, Srinivas. Buddhiman karma kuryat. An intelligent man should perform his karma action. Whatever may be the situation, whatever may be the difficulty, whether the act is good, sadhu or asadhu, garhitam, condemnable, whether it is praiseworthy or condemnable, but waiting for his own chance, kala apekshi. Now that is very important. Waiting for his turn of time, kala apekshi, And how should a buddhiman karyam kuryat? Pihita nayanaha. Pihita nayana means blindly. Pihita nayana literally means closing his eyes. An intelligent man should not mind to do even a menial thing if the time demands, whether the action is sadhu or garhita. When he is in Vishama Patita, that is the situation. Vipattau Patitaha, Buddhiman Purushaha. Karma Kuryadeva. Sadhuva karma, asadhuva, garhitam va karma. Yadva tadva karma kuryat. Whatever may be he should do. And how should he go about doing it? Also said, Pihita nayanaha. Pihite nayane yasya saha. The one whose eyes are closed, with closed eyes, blindly. Now we have an expression. He just follows it blindly. So an intelligent man should do his work blindly, not caring whether it is condemned or condemnable work or praiseworthy work, etc. Now, why is he saying, and keeping in mind only kala apekshi, waiting for his chance, turn of time. Kim, now the author is substantiating why should an intelligent man perform his duty blindly, waiting for his turn, not caring for the good and bad, etc. Kim Gandhi was Purat Guru Gunaspalana Krurapanihi. This is a big samasa for Sabyasachi. Arjuna, Gandhi was Purat. Gandhi was Purat. Gandhi wasya Maurvyakarshana. Spurat means pulling. When Arjuna used to pull his Gandiva bow string, as a result, his hand became karkasha, krura karaha. His hand became very krura. Now, if a warrior keeps on stretching the bowstring, it is very hard. We don't know. It must be very hard. And in the process, Gandhi was Purad Uruguna. Long, Uru means long. Guna means, not Guna here means string, Srinivas. Uru. Dirga Guna. Guna nama atra that string. Guna nama atra. Raju. Raju I can't say. Rope it becomes. Jya, what we call. Uru means long. Guna means the string, bowstring. Gandhi was Purad. That is pulling. Gandhi wasya Maurvi. Mauryakarshana. Maurvi. Mauryakarshana Kruraharaha. Gandhi was Purad Uru Guna Haspalana. Haspalana means that pulling. Haspalana Krurapanihi. Karkashapanihi. Krurapani means karkasha. It becomes very rough. The hand of Arjuna, which had become rough on account of pulling the hard Gandiva, the string bow. Now, so we end up here, Krura Padihi. Na Asid, was he not? Leela Natana Vilasan Meghali. Did he not, such a wonderful warrior, whose hand had become so harsh due to pulling the thick Gandiva, the string of the Gandiva, Asit Leela Natana Vilasan. Did he not spend his time playfully, Leela? Did he not live with the Leela Natana Vilasan Mekhali, having a Mekhala? He had put on a Mekhala. Mekhala means girdle, Vadanam. Did he not live with his Mekhala, the girdle, which was very beautiful to look when he was dancing? So he was a dance master. He was appointed as a dance master in the Virata. So Leela Natana Vilasan Mekhali Savyasachi. Kimna Asit. The main sentence is Kimna Savyasachi Asit. Did not Arjuna, the invincible, the unconquerable Arjuna, stay in a situation, uncomfortable situation, and performed his task as a eunuch? That is what he said.
Yeah.
So when time requires, so already it is said, Kala Pekshi. Buddhiman पुरुषः कर्म कुर्यात् कीदृशं कर्म गर्हितं कर्म वा साधु कर्म वा यद्वा तद्वा कर्म कुर्यात् इति विषमपतितः विपत्तौ पतितः पुरुषः. So when a man falls in distress, in trouble, is in trouble time, he should wait for his opportunity. That is how. So Sthirajivi says, I waited upon, I had to put upon. Arjuna also put up with such kind of insult. And now all the brothers are referred here. Next is also coming.
Yeah. We can find this when we observe the workers, sir, who works very hard, their hands also become very harsh and strong.
Yeah, that is exactly. Here, Krurapanihi is a very crude word here. Aspalana Karkashangulihi. In Bhasa's Nataka, we have an expression Karkashangulihi. That wording is very beautiful. The anguli, the fingers become karkasha, harsh. Here it is Krurapani. I don't know why Krurapani. Yeah. Next.
Being so hard hands, he had to act as a lady by name Bruhannala. That's the
That is what. He had to be a Bruhannala and also put on the mekala, girdle, like a woman.
Yeah.
Kalapekshi. Then it is waiting for his time.
Siddhim prartayata janena vidusha tejo nigruhya swakam sattvotsahagatapi daiva vidushu स्थैर्यं prakaryam kramat देवेन्द्रद्रविडेश्वरात्मकसमैरप्यन्वितो भ्रातृभिः किं क्लिष्टस्सुचिरं त्रिदण्डमवहच्छीमात्रधर्मात्मजः.
Now the writer, through the mouth of Sthirajivi, the mantri, talking about Dharmatmajaha. Dharmasya Atmajaha, Dharmaraja. Now he is talking about, having spoken about Arjuna in the previous sloka, here he talks about the eldest brother, Yudhishthira. Siddhim prartayata janena vidusha. So first two lines common to everybody. And then that is substantiated by the two lines. Did not Yudhishthira stay? Even though he had such wonderful brothers, that is what he says. Siddhim prartayata janena vidusha. Earlier, Buddhiman, he said, Buddhiman karma kuryat. Yadva tadva karma kuryat said. Here, vidusha, buddhimata janena prartayata. Kim prartayata? Siddhim prartayata. By an intelligent man, by a learned man, wanting to have siddhi, fulfillment of his desire or action. A wise man wanting to accomplish his object, Srinivas. Siddhim prarthayata, trutiya, prarthayata, shatrupatyanta, janena, vidusha, vidusha nama panditina. A man wanting to have accomplishment in life, an intelligent man, tejo nigruhya swakam, he also should be, if the time is not favorable, tejaha nigruhya. Tejaha nigruhya means that tejaha, sthairiam, whatever it is. Tejaha means brilliance. Tejaha nigruhya. Tejaha balam. Balam nigruhya. Swakam tejaha nigruhya. That is the order. Swakam swiyam balam nigruhya. Controlling his own power, because he is a vidusha, he is a vidwan. So controlling his own power, wanting to get the achievement, to see the achievement, siddhim prartayata janena dusha sattvotsahavatāpi, and another adjective is used for vidusha. Siddhim prartayata vidusha kidrushena vidusha janena sattvotsahavatāpi, even though he is endowed with sattva, bala and utsaha. Utsaha means the spirit of doing. Though very learned man with vidwan, vidusha, wanting to get the achievement, and is full of sattva, bala, tejas, brilliance, sattva, and sahasavata, and also enterprising, very enterprising. See the qualities here. One is tejas, tejo quality. Another is sattva. Another is ussaha bala. A man. And on top of that, he is a vidwan, vidusha. Though man endowed with brilliance, power, and enterprising quality. Sattvosahavatapi. This is also Trutiya Srinivas.
Yeah.
Siddhim prartayata vidusha. Siddhim prartayata sattvosahavata vidusha tejo nigruhya. Swakam swiyam tejaha nigruhya. Tejas nigruhya. Daiva vidushu. In matters of, which are left to the fate, Daiva Vidishu. Daiva Vidishu Stairyam. Stairyam Prakaryam Kramat. Stairyam. You should have lot of stability. Stairyam. Stairyam Karyam. There is another Patantara I am reading. Stairyam Karyam Yat. Stairyam Karyam. Here it is, we have in this book Stairyam Prakaryam. Prakaryam to be shown. Stairyam, that stability is to be shown. Kramat gradually. So that is to say, a Vidwan Purusha wanting to fulfill his ambition in life, though endowed with power and enterprising quality in the matters of fate, when things are left to the destiny, Daiva Vidishu, he should be controlling his own tejas. Swakam tejam swiyam tejaha nigruhya, then act. Why all this is given? Now we go to the third and fourth line. Devendra, there is a break. Break should not be there actually. Devendra Dravineshwarantaka samaihi anvitaha bhratrubihi. Kidrushaihi bhratrubihi anvitaha samyutaha dharmatmajaha dharmarajaha. Kidrushaihi bhratrubihi. By united with what type of brothers? Dharmaraja was there. Devendra Dravineshwara Antaka Samaihi Bratrubihi. Dharmaraja, Dharmaraja Yudhishthira was there united with his brothers equal to Devendra. Devendra Dravinesha, Dravinasya Ishaha Dravinesha, Kubera. Dravinesha Antaka, Antaka nama Yama. Yama Dharmaraja, Yamaraj. So Devendra, direct, like his brothers were like Nobe inferior, they are just like Devendra and Kubera and Yama Sadrushaihi. Devendra Kubera Yama Sadrushaihi Samaihi Bratrubihi Anvitaha Api, though he was with them. Kim Klishtaha, then Klishtaha Dharmatma, that is, Klishtaha goes with Dharmatmajaha, distressed. Klishtaha nama, distressed. Was not Dharmatmajaha Kimna Klishtaha? Was he not troubled? Was he not tormented? Was he not put to misery? Suchiram for a long time. Tridandam Avahat. And on top of that, this Dharmatmajaha Yudhishthira, Tridandam Ahavat, he carried the Tridanda, like a mendicant, like a monk, sannyasi, like a sannyasi. He was also given a Kanka, I think his name, Kanka. And he used to give counsel to the Virat Raja. So Tridandam plus Avahat, Lang Lakara. Tridandam Avahat Shriman, that great, that Shriman Kim, now you take this, Kimna Shriman Dharmatmajaha Tridandam Suchiram Tridandam na Avahat. Did he not carry the Tridandi for a long time like a Brahmana in the service of the Virata, though having gods like brothers and though having Sattva, Sahasa and Tejas, etc. But he was waiting for his chance because things were not favorable to him then. So I also, what is he saying, Straji? I also waited. So I also waited for my time to strike back. Yes, Reena.
I remembered Chinajia Swamiji, Tridandi is Chinajia
Ah,
Swamiji.
Tridandi. Tridandi actually karmana manasa vacha.
Ah,
Surrendering. Tridanda is
yeah. Trikarana Shuddhi.
karma sannyasa, mano sannyasa, vak sannyasa.
Oh.
Giving up all the three. So all put together is called Tridandi.
रूपाभिजन संपन्नौ कुंती पुत्रौ बलान्वितौ गोकर्म रक्षा व्यापारे विराट प्रेष्यतां गतौ.
Now he is coming. All the brothers are touched, you know. After Arjuna, Dharmaraja, then now Nakula Sahadeva are coming here. Rupa Abhijana Sampanno. Rupa Sampanno, Abhijana Sampanno. Rupa Abhijana Sampanno. Endowed with beauty, Abhijana, noble birth. They were born in a royal family. Rupa Abhijana Sampanno Samyutau Kunti Putro, Kuntiaha Putro, Kunti Putras Naku, namely the two Nakula and Sahadeva. Balanvitau. Not only they were Rupa Abhijana Sampanno, Balanvitau, Balena Anvitau. They were also with a lot of bala strength. But what was their fate? Go Karma Raksha Vyapare. They were put into the service of protecting the cows. Go Karma Raksha Vyapare Virata Preshyatam. And they became Viratasya Preshyatam. Sevam Gatau. Preshyatam means Sevam. They went into the service of Virata. Preshyaha, there is a word like Preshyaha means Sevakaha. Sevakaha. So, Preshyasya Bhavaha Preshyata. Servitude in English, servitude. So they went into the servitude of this Virata. Viratasya Presyatam Sevam Praptau Gatau. Go Kidrusha Sevayam, Kidrusyam Sevayam, Go Karma Raksha Vyapari in protecting. So, though handsome they were, Rupa Abhijana Sampanno, Balanvitau, Kunti Putro, Tatapi Gokarma Raksha Vyapare, Virata Prishyatam Gatau. They also went, time like that. Yes.
रूपेण प्रतिमेन यौवन गुणै श्रेष्ठे कुले जन्मना कान्त्या श्रीरिव यात्र सापि विदशां कालक्रमादागता सैरन्ध्रीति सगर्वितं युवतिभिः साक्षेपमाज्ञप्तया द्रौपद्याननुमत्स्य राजभवने घृष्टं न किं चन्दनम्.
Now we come to the fate enjoyed by Draupadi. Likewise, all the brothers and including their wife Draupadi. How was Draupadi? Rupena Apratimena. Apratimena Rupena. It is said that Draupadi was exceptionally beautiful. Exceptionally beautiful. There was no Apratima means no parallel, unparalleled to her beauty. Rupena Apratimena Yauvana Gunai. And on top of that, all the young, she was very youthful with all the qualities of youth. Sreshte Kule Janmana, and her birth in Sreshta Kula Janma. And Kantya Sri Riva, by her luster, she was like Sri Lakshmi. Ya Draupadi Atra, which Draupadi was there. Sapi, even she too. Vidasham Durdasham Kalakramadagata. See, some people not having anything, only sometimes having only Rupa, their fortune will be written in a different manner. They will be fortunate too. Some people endowed with beauty only. Not having Sreshta Kula, not having any other qualities. But here, having Rupa and that too Apratimena Rupena Yavana Gunai Sreshte Kule Utpanna Janmana Kantya Shririva, and luster she was like Lakshmi. Ya Atra Saapi Vidasham Durdasham Kalakramadagata. So even such most outstanding, beautiful and royal and Lakshmi, gorgeous Draupadi, Kalakramad, in course of time, Vidasham, Durdasham Agata, she also got into trouble, bad time. And what was her name given to? Sairandri iti. Sagarvitam yuvativihi. Sagarvitam. She was called Sairandri. And very Sagarvitam means with Garvena Saitam, with all, with Garva, Yuvativihi, Sapeksham Agnaptaya. Very, Sapeksham means very abusively. She was called Sairandri by the women, Yuvativihi. The women folk living in the Antapura, they called her Sairandri iti. Sairandri iti Sagarvitam, with arrogance, Yuvativihi Sakshepam, very abusively. Agnaptaya, she was all the time ordered by the women of Antapura as calling her Sairandri. Draupadyananu, by that Draupadi, Matsya-raja Bhavane, in the palace of Matsya-raja. Drushtam na kim chandanam, did not Draupadi rub the sandal for the ladies in the Antapura of Matsya-raja? She also did that service. Kim Draupadya na drustam chandanam, did she not rub the sandal for the other ladies? Though such a apratima rupini, that is all fate. So all these are told by Sthirajivi to Meghavarna. When such people, great Pandavas and Draupadi, suffered, what is my suffering before them? Then Meghavarna says,
Meghavarnaha he tata asidhara vratamidam manye yadarina saha samvasaha. So bravit he deva evametat paramna tadru murkha samagamah kvapi maya drushtah nacha mahaprajñam aneka shastreshu अप्रतिम बुद्धिं रक्ताक्षं विना धीमान् यत् कारणं तेन मदीयं यथास्थितं चित्तं ज्ञातम् ये पुनरन्ये मंत्रिणः ते महामूर्खा मंत्रिमात्र व्यपदेशोपजीविनो तत्त्वकुशला यैरिदमपि न ज्ञातं यत्.
yeah. Now, before that, I want to say Sairandri is a female servant, independent, female independent artist who used to work in another person's house in those days. Sairandri, she was called Sairandri. She was generally a maid servant, secondly, she is a maid servant who used to move about in women's compartments, Antapura only, apartments only. And in Sairandri was a lady of mixed caste in those days. And that position was given to Draupadi. Now Meghavarna says here, Tata. Yeah. He is an elderly minister, so he is addressing Meghavarna is addressing his Sthirajivi because he is elderly. Hey Tata, oh respectable older my minister, my dear minister. Asidhara vratamidam manye yad arinasaha samvasaha. I think he says manye, aham manye, asidhara vratamidam manye yad arinasaha samvasaha. I think living with the arina, shatruna saha samvasaha, sahajivanam. Shatruna saha sahajivanam, aham manye, aham Meghavarnaha manye, asidhara vratamidam. This is like a great. Now, Asidhara Vratam, Asi means sword.
Yeah.
Dhara means the edge. It is like walking on the edge of a sword. how difficult it is to walk on the edge of the sword. So the most difficult task is referred to as Asidhara Vratam. Yes, I think, my dear sir, it was really the most difficult task, living with the Arinasaha Samvasaha, living with the enemy. Then Sthirajivi says, Saha Sthirajivi Abhavideva, my lord, eva metat. Yes, it is true. Param, but na tadrug murka samagamaha kvapi maya drushtaha. But he is amused happy to tell the king, Param, but na tadruk, like that, murka samagamaha, a group of fools, an association of fools there, a group of fools, kvapi nowhere maya drushtaha. But I never saw such a group of fools as the ministers of Arimardhanavar. Murka samagama kvapi kutrapi maya na dushtaha. Why is he saying that? Nacha maha pragnam aneka shastreshu apratima buddhim raktaksham vinas dhiman. And except nacha, and but not mahapragnam ekam. Mahapragnam, there was only one most intelligent man. Mahapragnam aneka shastreshu apratima buddhim, who had unparalleled intellect in all the shastras, raktaksham vina dhiman, excepting one most intelligent, well versed raktaksha. All were fools. Now he says that yat karanam, because tena madiyam yathastitim chittam gnatam. Because why I call raktaksha as the mahaprajna and aneka shastra apratima, aneka shastreshu apratima buddhi, etc. Because he is the only minister. Karanam, the reason is that tena raktakshena madiyam yathastitam chittam. Yathastitam chittam means my real state of mind, my intention, Srinivas. He is the only one fellow who understood my mind, yathastitam, my mind as it is. And then that is why ye punaha anye, but and those other ministers, ye punaha anye mantrinaha, and those other ministers, te mahamurkaha, they are all highly foolish. Mantri matra vyapadeshopajivinaha, they are simply living under carrying the title called mantri. Mantri matra vyapadesha nama matrena nama jivinaha. They are living only under the garb of mantri. They are mahamurkas. Atatva kushalaha, they are not clever to understand the tattva. Only one fellow understood the tattva. Yathastitam chittam gnatam. Yaihi idam api na gnatam. By such fools, this much was not understood as was understood by the Raktaksha. Yes.
There are two poems together, but number is not given. Must be
No,
Pathantara.
I'll tell you. The first 227, you read it. The third line and fourth line is a different reading actually. Different reading. It should have been given in brackets actually. So 227 itself is a poem by itself.
Yeah. Arito bhyagato bhrutyo dustastatsangatatparaha apasarpasadharmatvat nityodvegi cha dushitaha.
So he says Aritaha Arinama Shatruhu, Aritaha Shatrutaha, Aritaha Abhyagataha Bhrutyaha. A Bhrutyaha, a servant, Abhyagataha, coming from the enemy's side. Aritaha. Aritaha means Shatrutaha. Shatru Pakshataha, Srinivas. Aritaha Nama Ari Pakshataha, Shatru Pakshataha, Abhyagataha. Abhyagataha means one who has come away. One who has come away from the enemy's camp. Bhrutyaha, servant. Dushtaha is a very dushtaha, is a wicked fellow. Tat Sanga Tatparaha. Such fellow is a dushta always. Tat Sanga Tatparaha. Dushtas Tat Sanga Tatparaha. because he is always attached to that Sangha only. Tat Sangha Tatpara. Apasarpa, what is it reading? Apasarpa Sadharmatvat. Apasarpa means Guptachara. Apasarpa Sadharmatvat, because of his innate quality of being a Guptachara. See, if somebody is coming from the enemy's side, he is a Dushta only basically. Why should he leave that camp and come to this camp?
Yeah.
And he says tas Sangha Tatparaha, and moreover he will be interested in that party only, just like Congress people leaving and joining TRS. At any point of time they will they will go back to the, because a fellow who has lived with a particular party, let us say Congress or whatever it is, for 20 years, and all of a sudden leaves that, he should not be trusted actually, as per this sloka. शत्रुतः अभ्यागतः भृत्यः दुष्टः तत्संग तत्परः अपसर्प सधर्मत्वात्, because of this guptachara sadharmatva, because a fellow, that Bhrutya who is coming from the other camp, other side, he is having the quality of guptachara, that apasarpana, guptachara qualities he has. Apasarpa sadharmatvat nityodvegi, nitya udvegi. So he will be always shatru, looking up, and dushitah, he will be always what do you call, will be condemned by the people. Future, yeah, I'm looking to the other reading. Any correlation is there here? He will be always anxious. Nitya udvega. Udvega means anxious. Nityodvegi cha dushita. He will be always condemned. Now the second reading is Srinivas. Aritaha, same. Abhyagato Amitraha. Same thing, na? Arita, in the place of Bhrutyaha, Amitraha is there. If you watch it.
Yeah. Same, sir. This is a
Aritaha,
Patantara.
Patantara only. Amitraha, Bhrutyaha. Bhrutyaha, Amitraha. Shatru Samvasa Tatparaha. Because he is more interested in Shatru Samvasa. That is expressed by Dushta Tat Sangha Tatparaha. Sarpa Samvasa Dharmitvat. This is the difference. Nityodvegena Dushitaha. So he will be like a Sarpa. That is the difference. Sarpa Samvasa Dharmitvat Nityodvegena Dushitaha. So he will be always dreadful, like a sarpa, samvasa, like a house having snake. So that means say a person coming from the enemy's camp and taking shelter with the another camp, it is like a sarpa samvasa, like a snake coming and staying in our house. We'll all, if snake enters in our house, we'll be always anxious, na? Where is the snake?
Yeah.
Sarpa samvasa dharmitvat nityodvegena dusya. So the person into whose house the sarpa like enemy has come, he will be nitya udvegi. He will be always anxious, etc. These two lines and the following patantara, they tell us that any fellow coming from the enemy's camp should not be trusted. He is like a snake only.
Asane shayane yane pana bhojana vastushu दृष्ट्वान्तरं प्रमत्तेषु प्रहरन्त्यरयोरिषु.
Then he says, asane, in this way of sitting asana, shayane in sleeping, yane. Yana is marching ahead, yana. Pana, drinking, bhojana, vastushu, and all these things. In sitting, sleeping, marching, drinking, eating, and all these matters. Dushtva antaram. Whenever they find antaram, any gap, or antaram means any weakness, weak point, Srinivas. Dushtva antaram, any weak side, weak point. Pramatteshu, when they are weak. Praharanti arayo varishu. So this is linked with the previous sloka. when an enemy side person is admitted into our camp, what will be his job? He will be looking at the people who have given him asylum. They will be watching his asana. They will be watching his sleeping. They will be watching his marching. They will be watching his drinking and other habits. And društva antaram, the moment they come across some weak point, antaram, dosham,
Loopholes.
and loophole, pramatteshu, when they are negligent, when they behave negligently in any of these matters, praharanti, they attack. Arayaha shatruhu. Arayaha arishu. Beautifully used here. Praharanti. Ke praharanti arayaha shatravaha praharanti. Keshu arishu shatrushu. So one should not give. Now this is the same thing. Similar situation is there in Ramayana when Vibhishana comes from the aerial path to take ashraya with Rama. You know, all the other people, all the people on the side of Rama say, no. He should be arrested, he should be killed, he should not be given ashraya, etc., except Hanuman. Hanuman alone watches him very carefully. Beautiful, that conversation is there. And he says, no. He is not to be killed or he is not to be arrested. He is coming with a real intention of taking ashraya of the Rama. Because of his speech, because the way Vibhishana speaks to Rama, makes an appeal, that is what makes Hanuman very confident of giving him the ashraya. That is there. That is also there. That Gatta is very good in Ramayana. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Tasmat.
there was earlier interaction also there, sir, with Vibhishana by Hanuman.
Hanuman, brief interaction when he went there.
When
Yes.
he went to Lanka.
He first visits Vibhishana only. And,
Yes.
And he knows by that account also.
Yeah, the nature of Vibhishana.
Vibhishana.
Tasmat sarva prayatnena trivarganilayam buddhaha atmanamadruto rakshet pramadadhi vinashyati.
Beautiful poem. Lot is said in simple words. Tasmat, therefore, sarva prayatnena, by all means, sarva prayatnena, by all effort, trivarga nilayam, atmanam. This atma, the self, is the nilaya, the house of trivargas. Trivarga means the dharmartha, kama, sadhakam. Trivarga nilayam nam dharmartha kama sadhakam. Buddha, Panditaha, Vidwan, Atmanam, Adrutaha, carefully. Atmanam plus Adrutaha, very carefully. Buddha, Adrutaha, Buddha, Atmanam, Kidrusham Atmanam, Trivarga Nilayam, Dharmartha Kama Sadhakam Atmanam, Jagarukataya, Adrutaha, Rakshet. Tasmat rakshet. Kaha rakshet? Buddha rakshet. Kim rakshet? Trivarga nilayam. Kidrusham trivarga nilayam. Kasya sambandhi trivarga nilayam. Atmanam. Atmanam trivarga nilayam rakshet. Pramadat, from danger. Therefore, a wise man should protect himself, which is his own self, which is the house for these purusharthas, trivarga nilayam, rakshet, pramadat hi vinashyati. And by pramadat, if one does not protect, yadi pramadena na rakshati, pramadat na rakshati, atmanam trivarga nilayam tarihi vinashyati. Then otherwise if he becomes negligent in this matter, he will be nowhere. Buddhaha vinashyati, Panditaha vinashyati, yadina rakshati. Rakshet, that is why vidhiling is used. Trivarga nilayam atmanam adrutaha jagarukataya tatra apramattaha san rakshetiva. He should protect himself, because this body is meant for the purusharthas. Sarva prayatnena, tasmat sarva prayatnena, by all means. Yadi pramadah bhavati tarhi vinashyati. Sadhu cha idamuchyati.
Santapayanti kamapatya bhujam na roga. Durmantrinam kamupayanti na niti doshaha. Kam shrirna darpayati kam na nihanti mrityuhu. Kam stri kruta na vishayaha paripidayanti.
Then he says, because it is also said, Santapayanti kam apatya bhujam na rogaha. Kam apatya bhujam rogaha na santapayanti. That is the prose order. Rogaha, diseases, come which apatya bhujam, a fellow who does not eat, eat properly, balanced food, let us say, apatya bhujam. One who does not eat properly the balanced diet, kam apatya bhujam, apatya bhoktaram, kam rogahana santapayanti, which what do you say, person, which person do disease trouble not, which person who eats unwholesomely. Diseases trouble not which person who eats unwholesome food. Durmantrinam kam upayantina niti doshaha. Kam durmantrinam niti doshaha na samupayanti. A durmantrinam, a wrong policy pursuer, whichever, that means niti doshaha, policy defects in the matter of policy, do go to a person who is durmantri, who is following a bad counsel. Similarly, yeah.
May I take the next poem also, sir?
No, over. I have not explained. We can stop there otherwise.
Yeah.
We will do this poem 230 once again.
Okay.
Okay. Shivam Bhuya.